In this lecture, we're going to look at a tool Revolved Boss Base and Revolved Cut. With Revolved Boss Base, we can create a model with a sketch that will rotate around some axis or line. So first, let's create a sketch on the front plane. And let's go with rectangle. Let's go with corner rectangle. Let's start at the origin, like this. And let's click OK. And now we can go to features, and we can use here Revolved Boss Base. So first, we have to here choose the axis of revolution, around which axis we want that this sketch will rotate. For example, we can choose this one, this one, this one, or this one. So let's choose this one here. And now we can see the preview. And we can see that our sketch rotates 360 degrees. Let's click OK. So this is our result. Let's go back to edit feature. Here we can change the angle. Let's go with 200. And now we got this result. Now we have 200 degrees. As well, we can turn on direction 2. And now to direction 2, for example, we can go 10 degrees or, for example, 45 degrees, like this. And now we got this result. Let's uncheck direction 2. And now let's see what other options do we have here. So here we have up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, mid plane, and so on. And now let's click OK. Now let's create another sketch. Let's go to the front plane. Let's go normal 2. Let's create here some circle, like this. And let's click OK. And now let's go here and let's choose a center line and let's create a vertical center line, like this. Now let's go to features, Revolved Boss Base. And now here we can see already the preview. So the axis of revolution is this axis here. And we have a blind and 360 degrees. We can change this, for example, to 240 degrees, like this. And now this is our result. As well, here we have option teen feature. So let's check this one. And now we can see here that we have a thickness of 10 millimeters. We can go, for example, with 2 millimeters. And now we have something like this. As well, we can change the direction here, mid plane to direction, and so on. And let's click OK. And now we got this result is here. So this is really simple and really useful tool. And now we're going to show how we can use Revolve Cut. So Revolve Cut is the same as Revolve Boss Base, but except adding material, we're going to cut material. But before we do so, let's go right click, Revolve Thin, and let's delete this. Like this. And now let's go here to this face and let's create a sketch here. Let's go normal 2. And let's create some rectangle here, like this. Let's click OK. Now let's go to features. And let's choose Revolve Cut. And now, for example, we want to cut material around this edge here. So we can choose this edge as well, like this. And let's click OK. And this is our result. So this is absolutely the same thing, only you cut material, you don't add material. So let's go back, let's edit feature. So we can here also change the angle. We can go only 45 degrees. Let's change direction here, reverse direction, like this. And we can go to direction 2 as well. Let's increase our angle. Let's go to 180 degrees, like this, and let's click OK. And now we got this result. Now let's go here and let's create a new sketch here on this face. And let's create here rectangle, like this. Let's go to features and let's go to Revolved Boss Base, like this. Let's choose axis of revolution and let's choose this edge here, like this. But now we're going to choose a different end condition. Now we have a blind. Let's go up to vertex. And now we're going to choose this vertex here, like this. And now we got this result. We can also change this. We can go up to surface. We can choose, for example, only this surface, like this. let's go offset from surface. So now we have here 10 millimeters offset from this surface here, this one. We can also reverse offset. Now we have the other direction offset from this face to here. And the next thing that we have is midplane. And let's change the angle. Let's go to 180 like this. And now we can see that we have 90 degrees to one direction and 90 degrees to other direction. And let's click OK. And those are all possibilities that you have with Revolved Boss base and Revolved Cut.